And good ball over the crossbar. And it's cleared away by Samuel Calaros. This Siaraga player, most of them are under 20. Now Tonli Kalotang counter attack for Ifira Blackbird. Tonli Kalotang into the penalty box. Tonli, good pass. Not a good finish. Oh! And clear away by Alphonse. Not a good clearance here. Still Siaraga. Still Siaraga. Shot and try to find Livingstone, but stopped by all Ifira defenders. Now it's going to be Tonli Kalotang shot, first shot. And still going on. Going towards 47 minutes. And John Owale with the ball. The last second shot and good save again from Greg Naling. Cotin. Still Cotin. Good cross here. Try to find who. And good ball. Oh, inside. It's a good goal from the captain already there. Cotin Tenene. Into the box. Good ball. And head away. And good save from. Oh, second goal. Alphonse, the defender, finally found the net. It's a second goal for Ifira Blackbird in the first playoff. 18 meters away. Good ball over the crossbar. Now it's going to be a counter attack. It's going to be John Owale looking to find who. Silver Tenene, Cotin Tenene, the distributor, and it's 3-0 to Tonli Kalotang. Again, it's the distributor. Cotin Tenene switched from left and then finally found Tonli Kalotang